Welcome back friends to another video. In this video we will be discuss about reporting. Okay, reports. Okay, so let's start and see this report section. We having a total 6 kinds of reports. In this video series will we cover two video. Okay, the contact list all and selected city wise list. Okay, so make it now to make it system default menu, you have to right set sys menu to default. Okay, then that FoxPro that our contact menu will be removed and FoxPro default menu will come on a bar. Okay, on a menu bar. Now see this, what is our command name? First run it again. Contact list, our file name is, what we have to develop is name is rpt cont all. Okay, so rpt cont all, so rpt cont all. Okay, so here and see database, no, we don't want to select from here, sorry. So we go here, three button, print, screen and cancel and exit. Okay, see, just type it here, is a print. Okay, and this will be a screen, then this is exit. Okay, done. Now we have to set this caption of windows, title of window, that form, print contact all. Okay, so my next move is to create a report file. Okay, so before move ahead towards creating a reports, we have to we have to set a database on a form load event. So write down here, close all table, close all, close all, close table all. Okay, and set and just use it, this name is use contact. Okay, and on a screen we write report form rpt cont all review. Okay, review, and report form rpt cont all to print prompt. Why prompt? Prompt will be give you the dialog box, it will prompt you in which printer or which printer you have to divert your printing session. Okay, so like in a printer it will ask you the it will prompt you the printer dialog box where you can select your desire or a specific printer, or you can be make it, if there is a pdf printer is there, so you can print that document as a pdf also. So that's why we are writing a prompt in our backend. Report form, if you write only two printer, then it will be directly print the document which is the set default printer. Okay, if you write prompt, then it will be ask you in which printer, select your desired printer. Okay, so in exit you can write down here this form release. Okay, done. And first we check it, print screen. Now one more thing we forget here, that's make it auto center of this form, make it true, auto center. Now you see here print contact all. Okay, so I think so we have to write down here also the message what we are going to print. So we have to write here print all contacts register. Okay, auto auto size true, and after that 12 and bold is true. Done. Now see this, print all context registers. This file does not exist. Okay, so we'll create a report file. So modify report rpt count all. Now what to do, we just, this is our report file. View grid lines, make it grid line available by clicking on a view and click the grid lines. Go to data environment. We are not going to use data environment, we are using data environment only for pick up the field name only. Okay, so this is the birth date, okay, and cities. See, so now in this page header, this is detail, okay. How we can create in a, this in a portrait method, we want to switch this printing by clicking, by selecting landscape. We want to set our orientation of report landscape, not portrait, and we have to select here A4 legal A4 paper, A4. Okay, see this, done. So here is full name, then mobile number, then birth date, okay, then city, then email id. Okay, done. And this is the mobile number, this is email id. We are putting that perfect, that title as per our column name. See, city. Now here we design, we go to in a toolbar report designer, then we go to report control bar. See, okay, done. If you want to see the preview, see this, it is coming perfectly. Okay, now see this, we have to create one line here which will separate the two lines to read, to make it more readable, our reports. See, click on this line toolbar and drag it here and select the format pen style dash dash or dotted dotted. Okay, you can select that pen style dotted dotted dashes. See, there is so many types of features available under a format. There is a pen, you can select the 1 point line, 2 point line. If I say 6 point, this will be printed like this way. If you select dotted, then it will be printed on this way, like this way, and view it. See this. Okay, so and right here print contact register. Okay, and make it this bold 14. I had double clicked on this, then I go through this style option, then I click here, then I had changed as per my design. Okay, and you can print here that company name by keeping your company name under a X company, like Tata, or we can say the Sai Kripa Industries. Okay, so see this, in a modicom contact menu.mpr, we write down here X company is equal to X company is equal to Sai Kripa Industry. Okay, now you can remove your data environment, because we don't want the report should be get printed through data environment using the report data environment. Okay, we have to always make it a practice. We have to give the database through the form. Okay, and X company, double click, go to style and make it here this 18. Okay, courier bold, or we can see this Arial bold 16. Done. Sai Kripa Industries. It is done. Control W. Then go to RPT control screen. See the beauty. Now it is our contact register is print. Now you want to see and run from our menu system. So run the do contact menu.pr report contact list. Okay, see this screen. Okay, if you want to go through print, then you don't want to print, or you can change your printer from here. Okay, if I want to make it a PDF file, select it, print. Okay, and you can set it here, like in a video I say ABC. See this ABC is get printed. See this is PDF is generated successfully. Okay, I think so you understand how I had. Now one more thing I want to show here, why this it is overlapping and the text is coming on our form, because we are forget to write down here one more setting, that name is set console off. Okay, write down here set console off. Okay, set console off. Now if you want to print this as a PDF, you see now it won't be a display here. One more thing, why? Because it is already open. Print and print ABC. See this, now it is not come here like a set console of we had written here. Okay, thank you.